Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 19 of the Adobe XD tutorial series. So today what we're going to do is we're going to export our project into different file formats. So for that what we're going to do is I have my project right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the menus like here, and then over here I have my export option. So the shortcut key for export is Control E. So once I click this, what will happen is that you got the format right here. So what you have is PNG, and then you see that there are options over here. You can export as a design for web, iOS or Android. So you just choose like what you want to export for. So what you can do is I'm going to choose destination right here, and then it'll pop up. I'm just going to choose desktop right here, create a new folder right here, just like this, and this is gonna be test export, just like this. All right. So I can select the folder just like this and then select the PNG. Alright, that's the format I want to export to, and then I'm gonna say export this for iOS and do export all artboards, just like that. So it'll export the artboard for iOS just like that, and then I'm gonna export it again, and this time I'm going to choose SVG. So SVG, I can also choose optimized over here. And in the test export, I'm just going to create another folder right here on to the desktop, and this is gonna be SVG. So if you want a scalable vector graphics that is going to be displayed on various screen sizes, then you want to select this. So select folder and do export all artboard, just like that. And over here what you can do is you can again do export, and I'm gonna do PDF. And you can choose either you want all of the files inside a single PDF or multiple PDFs. So I'm going to select multiple PDF files, just like this. I'm going to change it inside the desktop. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder, and there I'm going to export a PDF just like that. And over here I'm going to change it, select the PDF, select the folder, and export all of the artboard, just like that. And over here you can see that I have my exports. So seems like I exported multiple PDFs right here. I just want to export it into the same PDF. So let me go over here and change that out. So let's just do export right here, and I'm going to choose single PDF, export all artboard. So now you can see that I have single PDF right here. So I'm going to double click this just like that, and you'll see the PDF over here. So you see the design is being exported as a PDF format, and it comes in different pages just like this. So this is one way of exporting. So you might want to export PDF if you want to send the designs to mails and everything else. And SVG is more like for scalable vector graphics. So if I were to open it with Google Chrome, and so you can see that the scalable vector graphics is there. If I were to zoom it in by let's say if I were to zoom it in, then this will not actually have any effect, so the quality will remain as it is. So if you want to display this in various sizes, then you can just do that. And over here what you can do is you can also see the test export that is by iPhone 6 over here, and you can see that this is in image format. So if I were to see, you can see that this has been exported in various image sizes, just like that. Alright, there you go. So this is how you can export the files in different formats. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.